You want to tell what it is or
Yeah,
what your company does?
As you can see here, it's a training vehicle. It's used for training personnel mechanics to safely know how to use, how to test, how to verify the electric vehicles. It also a 400-volt system inside, and also all the measurements can be done in the same training vehicle, safe and sound. So as a Metrel, we are focused also on the EVSE testing with Mode 3 EVSE, Mode 2 EVSE, also some other stuff that can be tested with our testers. We started with the
testing instruments, you know.
testing instruments, of course. We started with the electrical installation testers, and then moved to the EVSE, which is the next big thing, photovoltaics, transformer testing, and everything that's needed in this.
And
this kind of
what
field.
companies are using your testing equipment? You know, any
Depends,
company?
from the small one-man bands to electricians, then to the bigger companies like the whole major companies around the world that use these instruments. We are in 150 countries around the world.
150 countries.
Yeah. We have distributors in 80 countries around the world, so we are worldwide basically. So yeah, we have here 500 volt, this small car.
So 508 for small car.
500 volt DC on the
DC.
battery side. Yeah, we are measuring DC on this side.
Okay.
So this is also we have some switches that can do some errors in the car, and so on. So the trainee can easily assess if it's safe or not safe, or it's working correctly or not. For get a knowledge base to the mechanics that are not used to the electrical vehicles, and to get the know-how in a safe way.
Where is the data going? Where is all the data going?
The data is stored here. This is our
And then you connect it with the computer.
This we connect to the computer via USB or via Bluetooth. So
Okay.
with this one, then you go to the PC and make a report about the vehicle, what kind of state it is. We have different measurements. You can just save it under vehicle and under the RAS, so battery status. You can save. Also, you can do some other measurements like R100 measurement, which is a unique feature of this instrument. Basically, insulation resistance on the live battery. It can make 7 measurements in one go, and they display the results. Also, can be easily saved on the instrument itself, and also later reviewed in our memory structure. So you can see the thing that we've done. We can review it if we're okay or not, and then also push it via Bluetooth to the PC or via USB cable.
Thank you so much.